In this lesson, we will demonstrate how to increase the size of a model without the need to re-enter a sketch plane. This is a very powerful tool when needing to adjust sizes of objects while attempting to create assemblies with Fusion. For this exercise, we will create a copy of a pre-existing object to show the difference between old size and new size. Use the Move/Copy modifier to create an identical copy of the vase. Once complete, click Cancel. Select the drop-down for Modify Tools and select Scale. The Scale window will have two Select prompts, one for entities and another for point. Select a body or sketch for your entity. Doing so usually automatically selects a point on the object. An arrow will appear on your entity. You have two options. Input a scale factor that will increase the size of the entity by the multiple of said factor, or click and drag the arrow to a size at random.